If you want to learn how to sew crisp cargo pockets, keep watching. I'm Gabby and this is So Quaint. You've probably seen this video where I show you how to cut and sew a cargo pocket, but maybe you've been hung up at the part where you need to sew around the edges of your cargo pocket. But no worries, in this tutorial, I'm gonna break it down for you. The edges of this cargo pocket have not been sewn. This one, on the other hand, has a more professional look because its edges have indeed been sewn. Start by folding the seam like this and backstitch at the beginning. Before getting to the corner here, it's a good practice to fold it like this. You're pretty much folding the fabric away from the corners so it doesn't get caught. When you get there, shift the fabric away to prevent it from being caught in the stitch. Pivot your fabric and keep sewing without catching the fabric below. Now all you have to do is the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to break it down even more. By the way, if you're liking this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. To make it even easier, you can pin the sides of your pocket like this. Then repeat the same steps as before, making sure that you don't catch the fabric underneath. If you do, that's okay. You can just unpick it with your seam ripper and keep trying until you get it. If you want to do things like these with guidance in a group setting, join the So Quaint Club. It's a weekly sewing club where you get to learn how to sew alongside other beginner sewists with my guidance. You can register at the link below.